Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about access modifiers in PHP language. Okay, within the PHP class we have methods and properties. We can control access of those methods and properties using access modifiers. Okay, let's go to okay. Here we can have three types of access modifiers within the PHP class: public, protected, and private. Public means the default one. That means we can access from the anywhere. Protected means we can access those protected methods and properties class itself and inherited class or extended class. That means within the class structure. And the private means that we only can access those private methods and properties class itself. We can't access it from the outside from the class. Okay, let's jump into the code example to clear these things. Okay, here I will create a class called parent class, and within this parent class I will create public and uh, public name. I will assign the default value as well, public value. Okay, and also we I will add protected one, and all protected name equal to uh, protected value, and also private name equal to. Okay, now we have three types of access modifiers. And also I will create a constant because I need br tag. Okay, now now we have three types of access modifiers, and I will create get method. First one is public function get public name, and it will return dollar this public name. Okay. Uh, yeah. Then other one is protected function get protected name. Okay. This will return dollar this protected name. Okay. And also we need another one private function get private name. It will return dollar um, private name. Okay, now we have three types of access modifiers, and that mean properties and methods. Let's try what happened. Okay, now the first thing is that we can access public ones from the everywhere. That means we can access these public methods and properties using the inherited class or from outside of the class. Let's try to access from the outside of the class. Dollar mm, uh, parent object equal to new parent class. Okay, we created object and we echo dollar parent object dollar get public name. Okay, let's go to the browser and check what happened there. Yeah, we can get the public value. That means we can successfully access the public method and properties using outside from the class. Okay, same thing. Let's try it with the protected. Okay, let's go to the code. Yeah, we can't access protected ones from outside of the class. That means second principle also correct. That means here it says protected the property or method can be accessed within the class and and by a class derived from that class. That means we can't access it from the outside of the class. It's true. Okay, then other thing is it says it can be accessed from the inherited that within the extended class. Let's try that as well. Class child child class extend parent class. Okay, here we create get. Let's create a public. Let's create a public method because this child class is a different class. Then there can be have a different different access modifiers. We now we create the public method, public function get parent protected protected value. Okay, here it will return dollar this dollar this. We are trying to access this method. Mm, as you can see, we not declare any methods within that mean any methods called get protected name within the child class. It is within the parent class. We are trying to access this get protected name from child class. Okay, here now we echo this. Let's comment this and dollar child object equal to new child class echo dollar um, dollar child object get get okay. Now let's check with the browser. Yeah, we can get protected value. That means within the this example that which says that protected one can be accessed from the within the inherited class. That means here we can access this class. That means this child class is inherited. That means extended from the parent class. We are accessing the parent class get protected name method using our public child class method. That means we can access parent protected methods and properties using child class, using inherited class. That second one is also true. Okay, let's try to access private ones using publicly. That means try to access a private one from outside of the class. Let's this one. Let's go to the browser and yeah, yeah, we can't access private access modifiers as well. That means we can't access private methods and properties from outside of the class. Let's try to access those private method using our child class. Okay, here we uncomment and we try to access. Here we are trying to access parent class private method using a child class public method. Okay, let's try to access it. Yeah, same thing. We can't access private method and properties using the child class. That means within the extended class. Only way that private and private method and properties only can be accessed from the class itself. We can't access it from the outside of the class. Okay, then I think this example will help you to understand these access modifiers behavior. And I think it's helpful actually because yeah, you can do a lot of things using this access modifier when you are come to actual developments, it's really important to have this knowledge of these access modifiers. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and get something about some idea about these access modifiers. And yeah, thank you very much for watching my videos.